Hi, Jessica. With your question on 93315, which should be the correct answer on how to get to it. So I just have everything set up here already in the encoder. As you can see here, I have the diagnosis code. So let's go ahead and hit procedure. I'm going to go ahead and put in echocardiography. Okay, and I'm going to click that. We're going to go with TEE. Okay, and then I'm going to go with other. And here then I'm going to go to number 4, including probe placement, image, interp, and report. And then there it takes me to congenital. Okay, I'm going to, without mention of contrast, we're just going to hit no for the rest of these. And there I come up with my code 93315. So then I hit continue. My APC on this one is 05524. So that is how I came with the answer of 93315. And you should be able to replay this video for any more questions.